What was all are desirable changes. Now another example, blooming of flowers. Now you will say, ma'am, how it is advantage for us? Blooming of flowers. If blooming of flower occurs, how it is our need? How it we want them to take place? No, student. If you get inside it, you can understand. It's an advantage for us how? When flowers bloom out, a very light smell we smell. A very light scent we smell, which makes our whole body refreshed. Next, need. Why it is need? Many of you, your grandma, grandpa, worship at your homes. That time they need some flowers to put in the foot of the gods. That is your need. Another thing, we want to them to take place because these flower makes our environment fresh and pure. Fresh and pure. If flowers didn't bloom out, then how will you get the fruits? Because some of the flowers are which contains the seed also, and these seeds are helpful to bring the fruits. And one more thing, that is what, to grow their species as much as they can, they to extend their species. So blooming of flower is also a desirable change because we want them to take place. It is our need also, and it is a advantage. So these were the example. Another example, cooking of food. We want, because every day we need to have a different type of tasty foods to eat. It is a need. Without, can't you live without eaten food? No. And it is advantage. How? Because it keeps our body fit and fine. Now cooking of food is a desirable change. I had explained the autumn. It is a desire to occur because it occurs every day, every time, hour to hour. Every home, in every home, when you go and move on and search it, everyone is cooking food. So it desire to occur every time. We want them to take place because we are hungry. It is our need, because we are hungry and we need to have a food. We can't live hungry whole day. So we want them to take place, and it is a need. An advantage, I tell you, it makes our body fit and fine. Another is your construction of building. You can ask me, ma'am, how construction of building? So construction of building is also a desirable change. Have you seen the person who are sleeping at the footpath? They also need a desirable change with the help of construction of building. It desire to occur. Why? Because first it is our need. We can't live open under the sky. Can you live? How will you protect from rain, sun rays, winter, summer, the seasons occur? How will you protect from them? Can you live under the open sky? No. So it is your need. We want them to take place. Yes, we need. Everyone's dream is to have a very big and beautiful house. So we want them to take place. How it is advantage? Because it protects us from many things, from the thieves, from season changes, summer, winter, from the rainy seasons, from storm, disasters. And desire to occur because everywhere, every time, every place you are seeing that construction of building is going on. So it is also a desirable change. Baking of cake. Oh, now you should ask, ma'am, how it is a desirable change. Everyone likes to eat cake, so you can now understand. It is our need. It is a need in the sense of our taste. Need in this need is depending on the taste. Because we like to eat cake, that's why it is need to have a cake. Advantage, it is also a good because it is made up of creams, all these things which gives our body healthy and fit and fine. Those who are very lean and thin, they can get some fat from the cake, and we want them to take place because it depends on our taste. We love to eat cake. That's why every time we think, why can my mother cook a cake for me? Can my mother cook a cake for me? So we want them to take place. So it's also a desirable change. Now last is your drying of clothes. Now you will say, ma'am, how drying of clothes? Are you ready to wear wet clothes? No. Every time can you wear wet clothes? No. Dried clothes gives us advantage how it makes our body covered with the help of sun rays, water, rain, storms, heat waves, cold waves. Need, why it is a need? Because we can't live without wearing clothes. Can you live? Can you stand without wearing clothes? No. We want them to take place because everyone loves to wear clothes, different types of clothes, very fine, good. Because it is a desire, because everyone wants to look very handsome every time, every moment. That's why we need to have different types of clothes in a dried manner. Wet clothes are no one is going to wear that. Wet clothes no one is going to wear. That's why. So these are the desirable change, and desirable change are beneficial for us. Another thing is that it is a desire to occur. We want them to take place. It is our need and also our advantage. Now you can understand what is desirable change. Now we are going to read about undesirable change. Now many of you will ask, ma'am, why you are going to read undesirable change? On the other hand, some changes are harmful to us. These changes are called undesirable change. Now there are some changes which are very, very harmful for us, and we don't want any time that it should be occurred. Any time what? We didn't also dream about that these type of changes should occur. Do you dream? So these changes which are harmful for us, no one dreams also. This change should occur. Will you dream it that this beautiful dress should be tore off? Will you dream it? So because it's undesirable change, you don't like that. Can you wear that torn clothes? No. So undesirable change are that type of changes which are harmful to us. Those changes which we do not want to take place, the changes which are not desired are in disadvantage. The changes which are not desired to change is called undesirable changes. The changes which are not desired are in disadvantage and we don't want to take place. These are called undesirable changes. Now, for example, rusting of iron is a harmful change as it damages the iron objects. Yes, so we try to prevent rusting of iron objects by various methods such as painting the iron object, etc. Some other examples of undesirable changes are earthquakes, floods, spoilage of flood. Next is your pollution of environment, volcanic eruption, burning of buildings, etc. These are undesirable changes. First is your rusting of iron. Yes, this brings to our construction of buildings. Our building is being constructed with the help of the iron rods. Do you want that our whole iron rod which is being, our building is constructed, it should be rusted? And if it is being rusted, it will damage the iron and our building will become very weak and it should be damaged, which is our sweet home. You call na, my home is very sweet home. We family live over there very nicely, very friendly. Then what happened to your sweet home? So rusting of iron is our undesirable change because many things is being made up of iron. And if it is being rusted, the rusting, what it does, it eats the iron slowly. It eats the iron slowly. That's why the iron get damaged and it becomes very weak. If it becomes very weak, the thing which is dependent on this iron will be damaged. So to prevent this undesirable change in iron, what we do, we coat it with the paints, enamel paints, different types of paints, oil based paints, water based paints, to prevent this rusting, so that our iron would be strong also, and our constructed building should be also strong. Many things which is being made up of iron, it should also be very strong. So rusting of iron is undesirable change, and we don't want to happen this. So we don't want the thing which we don't want, and but in desirable we want. In undesirable we don't want. Undesirable gives advantage. Desirable gives advantage. Undesirable gives disadvantage. Desirable is desired to occur, undesirable which are not desired to occur. Desirable is need, undesirable is not our need, because we don't want to take place, that's why. Another example, earthquakes. If earthquakes happen, is it good for us? No. Once an earthquake happens, lots of disadvantage, lots of damages, and lots of desire which we don't want to occurred. Peoples get died, buildings get damaged, rivers when floods came. This is also undesirable change. If floods came, it can take off many villages to villages, and not only villages but many states also being captured in that floods, and people are homeless, hungry. Many of the children becomes orphan. Due to this undesirable change, we don't want that flood should occur anytime, earthquake should come. Spoilage of food. Would you like to eat spoiled food? No, because it's an undesirable change. If I eat the spoiled food, I get the vomiting tendency, I should be ill, I should have the food poisoning, which is not good for our health. It's a disadvantage, it's not good for our health. We don't want to eat that spoiled food. It is not our need. Is it need spoiled food to eat? No, it's not your need, and it is also not our desire. So spoilage of food is also a undesirable change. So today I am stopped over here. Read the video or hear the video nicely once, twice and thrice. If you had any problem, ask me whenever you will want. It should be okay with me also and with you also. So student, go through the videos, notes and the books which you are having right now. Thank you.